Hello guys, welcome to another box break by TW Sports Cards. Tonight we got two 14-15 artifacts hockey. So I'll start off by showing the serial numbers. NE 22 13 13 733. Next, NE 22 13 11 032. You can see the match with the auction in the description of the auctions. I'll show the Winnipeg Jets, last team that sold. So, double box break artifacts Winnipeg Jets, April 15, 2017, 7:53 Eastern Daytime. So, thank you very much, guys, and let's get it going. I hope you all get some nice cards. Let's try to get a 1-of-1 like yesterday, maybe. Empty box. First box. We got a Autofax for Chicago, Brandon Saad. We got a blue out of 85 for Buffalo, Drew Stafford. Out of 999 for Colorado, Semyon Varlamov. Rookie for Buffalo, Andrei Makarov out of 999. We got a rookie redemption for the New York Islanders. We got a treasured swatches dual jersey for the Whalers, so the Carolina Hurricanes, Ron Francis. We got a ruby out of 599 for the Flyers, Jeremy Roenick. We got a rookie ruby out of 499 for the Florida Panthers, Vincent Trocheck. We got a Tundra Tandems dual jersey for the New York Rangers, Derek Stepan and Matt Zuccarello. Last pack of the first box. We got a dual jersey for Toronto out of 125, Ed Belfour. That was the first box. Now for the second box. Well, I showed. All right. We got a rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Oscar Klefbom out of 999. We got a rookie ruby out of 499 for Detroit, Ryan Sproul. We got a dual jersey Tundra Tandems for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher, PK Subban. Nice. We got a dual jersey rookie out of 399 for the Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Johnny Hockey. Emerald out of 99 for Chicago, Brian Bickle. Ruby out of 499 for the Kings, Jonathan Quick. Rookie redemption for the Washington Capitals. Frozen Artifacts dual jersey, Brooks Orpik for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice. We got an autograph rookie redemption number 5. We're gonna check that right after this pack. We got a Ruby out of 599 for Vancouver, Ryan Kesler. So put this aside and we'll check who gets the rookie redemption autograph number 5. Number 5 must be a nice pull. So 14, 15 artifacts redemption. We're gonna go directly on upperdeckblog.com. MVP Fleer artifacts. All right. So 14-15 NHL Artifacts Rookie Autograph Redemption number 5 for the Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. There you go. Upperdeckblog.com. Number 5 right here. All right. So Vancouver Canucks. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another video. Peace.